Hello and welcome to the course. In this video, we'll see how we can handle the exception in a screen flow using fault path and platform event. So let's get started. As you can see, this is a simple screen flow that provides fields on the screen for the user to fill out and create the contact record. I have used a create record element to create a contact record in Salesforce database. So there is a chance that this element will fail due to system or custom validation or any kind of technical errors, right? So first, let's check what is the current behavior of this flow when it will fail, okay? And then we'll handle the error and display the errors to the user, okay? So here I am on the home page. So I have added this flow on the home page. As you can see, we have some fields and then we have a button to create the record, okay? So let me just fill the information here and then I will create this record. Okay, you can see here. So we got an issue. Okay, and this is how flow is displaying the message when any error occurred. Okay, in the flow. This is not good, right? From the user perspective, user should see like what happened, why the contact was not created, what wrong happened. Okay, we can display the message, okay, what happened, why this contact has not been created now. Okay, here now what we have to do is we can add a screen. Okay, so I'm adding a screen here, and then I will add the display text, okay, to display a message. Okay, and here I will give it a name, and it should be like error message, right? And in the resource, so what I'm going to display in this, so I will select flow here. When you scroll down, then you have a global variables. Okay, so I will select flow here, and then you can see in the flow global variable you have a different fields to add. Okay, so I'm going to add fault message. Okay, this is what I'm going to add, and I'm going to change the color and font size as well. Okay, good. Now let me just save this screen. Let me give the label and then I will save it. So let's say error screen. And done. Okay, so now I have added this screen. Now how we can add the fault connector? Okay, so you just need to connect the create record element with this element. Okay, then you can see automatically fault connector has been added between these two components. Okay, now let me just save this, and I need to activate as well. Okay, now let's refresh the page and try to create the record again. Okay, so let me add. Okay, and okay, now this time we can see the message here, right? So it's saying that the record failed, record creation failed due to this custom validation exception, right? Saying that contact name should not contains the test keyword. Okay, This is the one way you can handle the errors and you can display it to the user. Okay. Now let's check how we can create an error log record in a custom object. Okay, so I have created a custom object called error log. Okay, and I have created some fields here to store the information about the error. Okay, so I want to create a error log record whenever we get any error in the flow. Okay, so let's check how we can do that. So whenever a screen flow fails, Salesforce publishes a flow execution error event, platform event automatically. Okay, if you have not used a fault path in your flow. Okay, so this line is important. If you have not used a fault path in your flow, then only Salesforce will publish this event. Okay, if you have used already, then Salesforce will not publish that event. That's what I have seen. This is the current behavior of this platform event. Okay, so now let's remove this screen flow element from here, and then we'll create another flow to create a record in the custom object. Okay, when a platform event is fire, either we can create a flow or we can create a trigger. Okay, on that event, and then we can insert the records. Whenever you try to create a new flow, so you click on new button and then you see here the different options. Here you have to select this option, platform event triggered flow. Okay, so you have to create this one. Okay, and then just click done. Okay, and then select the platform event here. Okay, so which event we have to select? So we have to select this event. Okay, flow execution error event, and done. Okay, so I'm not going to create again, so I have already created here. Okay, so here you can see I have selected this platform event, and then I have added this create record element to create the custom object record. Okay, so here you can see I have selected this object, error log object, and then I have mapped the values, fields values with this platform event fields. Okay, so how we can know that what are the fields we have on this platform event? So you can check the documentation. So when you search flow execution error event on the Google, you will find this documentation, and here you can see the fields. Okay, and their description, what we will get in this field. Okay, so now let's test here. Okay, okay, and okay, so here you can see we got an issue. Okay, so this is the standard message that we can see now, and when we check the error log, okay, so you can see here there is a new entry here. So this is the record that gets created. So you can see it's created right now. Okay, and we have all the information here. So we have an error message, we have all the information like what is the name of the element that got failed, and the user ID and everything, like whichever field that you will map, you can store the information here in the custom object record. Okay, so now so we get a standard message. Okay, that was not descriptive at all, right? So how we can create the custom object, error log object, and also display the error message on the screen. Okay, for that what we can do is we can add a screen And also we can use a create record element to create the custom object record. Okay, let me just do that. Error flow. Add the display text here, the error message, and here I need to display the message. Okay, all right, so we have the screen now. Okay, and let's add a create record element. Okay, and let's say create error log record. Okay, and then let me choose the object here. So I will choose this object and I will map the fields here. Okay, so here let me select the error message, and here I have to use the global variable called flow, and I will map the fault message, right? For the object I will say contact here. Okay, I'm just going to map these two fields. Okay, so now we have these two elements. First, create record, and second is a screen. So in this, we are creating a error log object. Okay, and in on the screen we are displaying a message. Okay, so let me connect this with the create record. Okay, and then I will connect a screen. Now let's click on save as and save the new version of this flow, and let's activate. Okay, now it's time to test. Okay, so let's test this. So let me put the name here. Okay, so now we can see the message. Okay, uh, it's coming from the screen that we have added. Okay, now let's check the error log. Okay, so we can see the error log also. Okay, so we got the error message and the object name field here populated from the flow. Okay, so also you can add action here to send an email. If you want to send an email to a particular user, okay, so you can do that. You just need to select the send email action. Okay, and just put the information here, like whatever, like if you want to send error, okay, in the body, just select this error message, or you can create a text template, and then you can send this information in the email. Okay, so similarly you can do it here. Okay.